solve another Leetcode problem. 2527. Find Xor-Beauty of array. So we are just giving an array nums, and it is from index 0, the effective value of 3 indices I, j, and k. Yeah, defined as. So this is defined as effective value. So it is just like nums I or nums j and nums k. So it will be something like that. So the Xor-Beauty of the array is XORing of the effective values. It means all those effective values, we're going to use the XOR to connect them. And finally, we're going to return the Xor-Beauty of nums. So this is just a mathematical formula. If you first see this problem, yeah, you think it must be really difficult because you don't know how to do it. But my suggestion is, yeah, so sometimes you might think maybe it is XOR, you're going to use XOR of all the numbers, and finally your guess is right, but it's not the way to solve problems. Yeah, for solving this kind of problem, normally we're going to try to use some examples, because like this is a OR and this is add. So let's try to first use the first example, nums 1 and 4. Yeah, let's just use A and B just to represent two numbers. So there will be 8 different cases, and here we're also going to use the 8 different cases. As you can see, A or A and A, there's A or A and B, A, B, A, B, A, A. And then I just copy the code from here. I just copy it here, but I just need to change A to B, B to A, and this is all the combinations, because 2 to the power of 3, it is 8 combinations of all those numbers. Yeah. Now we are going to check the result of each calculation. So A or A, it is A, and A, it is still A. Now let's go to the second calculation. A or A, it is A, so the result is A and B. Yeah. Now this operation A or B and A is difficult to calculate, but we don't need to do it because we don't know how to calculate it. Yeah. And for the second one, B or A and A, we don't know how to calculate it. Yeah, now let's continue. B or B, it is a B, and B, it is a B. So B or B, it is a B, and A, it is B and A. And this one, we don't know how to calculate it. And the last one is also the same. We don't know how to calculate it yet. Yeah. Now let's just analyze. This A or B would equal to B or A, and A. So this means this number should be equal to this number. So the final result for those two numbers is going to be 0. Yeah. And what about the XOR of those two numbers? So B or A or B is the same, and B is the same. So the XOR of the last two numbers will also be 0. Yeah. Now let's check this one and this one. A and B, B and A, the XOR of those two numbers would equal to 0. Yeah. So this one and this one also be 0. So what's left behind? The left behind is A or B. So if there are two numbers, it is A or B. Yeah. If there are three numbers, it is A or B or C. So according to this kind of guess, we can get the result. Yeah. So the final result would be just we need to reduce XOR with nums. Let me just run it and submit it. Yeah, as you can see, it works. Yeah, so the time complexity is the less of nums, and if this nums is a really big number, for example, it is 10 to the power of 9. Yeah, so the bitwise XOR operation, I think it still takes the time, but yeah, normally for the bitwise OR, for a number use bitwise OR, I think it will take 1 time. Yeah, let me just check it. The bitwise OR time complexity, bitwise OR or XOR time complexity. Let's just check this I think it is 01. Okay, yeah, it is okay. The bitwise operation will take time complexity. Okay, where k is the total size of the array S. Yeah, I think it is just 01. yeah, it is O1. I think in code forces, I think it is O1 if we use a bitwise operation. So yeah, let's just check the operation. So the final time complexity, I think it is ON. Yeah, let me check if there is any other analyze of the time complexity. Yeah, I don't believe there is any, but I think the time complexity is just ON. It is the length of nums. Thank you for watching. See you next.